In this video, we'll cover an overview of what you can do to get the best investment on a home for what your money can buy. If getting a bargain is important to you, you'd want to check out this particular video further. And if you like details and data, I have it for you today. Stay tuned toward the end and we'll provide a refresher on steps to purchasing a home. My name is Kelsey. You know, the team and I, we get calls and emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Memphis. We absolutely love it when we can connect with our clients. So whether you're moving in 8 days or 80 days, just give us a call, send us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom video call. All of my contact information and details are in the description below. Happy to help you make a smooth move in or around Memphis. So did you know looking for a house is a science? Well, let's review a few simple strategies to help you get the best deal for your money. First, let's talk about the best months to shop for a home. According to a study featured on Forbes.com, the best time to buy a house is during the fall and early winter months. During this time, buyers can typically expect to pay a lower premium or a price closer to the market value compared to the spring and summer months. This is because the housing market tends to be more active during the spring and summer, leading to increased competition among buyers and potentially driving up prices. In contrast, the fall and early winter months often see a decrease in buying activity, resulting in lower prices and less competition for buyers. So basically, during the fall and early winter months, home prices tend to weaken due to less buying activity, which can result in lower prices and less competition. Specifically, the month of October is highlighted as the best time to buy a house because buyers can expect to pay a 3.3% premium over the market value. Now in November and December also offer good buying opportunities with premiums of 3.7%. Now in contrast, May is highlighted as the least desirable month for finding a deal because it has a premium of 10.5% over market value. So the recent study suggests that buyers who close on their home in October will get the best deal compared to the spring buying season. In other words, the seasonality of the housing market plays a key role in those price fluctuations, and home buyers can also take advantage of the lower prices and decreased competition during the fall and early winter months. The study reveals that spring and summer months tend to have higher prices, with May being the worst month for finding a deal, and the housing market is typically more active in the spring and summer with increased competition amongst buyers. So expect to pay more for the same house in the spring and summer, with May being the peak month and paying the highest prices than you would any other time frame in the autumn and winter seasons. The housing market tends to be more active in the spring and summer months, like we've talked about, with many buyers looking to settle into a new home before the start of the school year for their kids or before they look at any of the increased number of listings and inventory. As a result, the colder months, fall and early winter, can be advantageous for house hunting. During these months, there is typically less competition, like we've discussed, and sellers may be more motivated to negotiate and make a deal. Additionally, listings that have been on the market for a while may offer better opportunities for buyers to find favorable prices. So now let's talk about the best days of the month to buy a home. In terms of specific days, the report in Forbes suggests that the best days to buy a house fall after Thanksgiving through the early days of the new year, such as November 28th, January 9th, December 5th, and December 26th, and December 19th. Despite October's overall discounts, the best single days of the year falls on those particular dates. We can also dive in further, and we'll talk about the least ideal days to buy a house. The housing market ordinarily speeds up around spring and chugs along into summer. Kids are out of school and people have time to shop around. Many families try to buy a home between May and August. All of this translates into a lot of buyers competing for the same houses, which drives up prices and leads to more expensive real estate. The worst days for buying, according to featured in Forbes.com, are all in May. May the 20th, May 23rd, and May 27th all have premiums above 15%. And to get the best price when you're buying a house, it is suggested that one works with a real estate agent who knows the area well and one who is dedicated to helping you find a home, regardless of the specific dates of purchase. Having your paperwork in order, including the mortgage pre-approval letter and down payment, is crucial for acting quickly when a desirable property becomes available. And being prepared for sudden open houses or private tours can also give you an advantage in making an offer before others have the opportunity to do so also. Once again, it's important to note that market conditions can vary, and these trends are based on historical data. Additionally, factors such as location, local market dynamics, and individual seller motivations can also influence the timing and pricing of real estate transactions. So just a refresher, let's segue into discussing the steps to buying a house. 1, evaluate your debt and credit profile. Determine how much debt you have and try to pay off what you can. Check your credit report for any errors and make steps to improve your credit score if needed. Number 2, review your budget. Consider how owning a home will impact your budget. Account for additional expenses like repairs and maintenance expenses, property taxes, and homeowners insurance, and even things like yard service, HOA, anything that requires you to go over and beyond the initial mortgage payment. Number 3, determine your down payments. Figure out how much money you have available for a down payment and be prepared to document any funds received as gifts. Saving for a larger down payment can help you secure better loan terms. So number 4, meet with mortgage professionals. Consult with lenders or mortgage brokers to explore your financing options. You can also get pre-approved for a mortgage, which will help you understand your budget and demonstrate your seriousness as a buyer to a seller. Number 5, decide on your preferences. Determine the type of home you want and the location where you want to live. Consider factors like the size of the house, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, amenities, proximity to schools or workplaces, and the overall neighborhood's desirability. Number 6, track mortgage rates. Keep an eye on mortgage rates as they fluctuate frequently. Monitoring rates will help you make informed decisions about timing your purchase. In summary, whether it's a good time to buy a house, oftentimes people may inquire when is a good time to buy a house. Well, market conditions can vary. While the housing market experienced a drop in existing home sales in 2022 that year, and it's in a transition in year 2023, home prices continue to rise due to limited housing supply. Some experts anticipate a housing market shift may be on the horizon, so it's important to stay informed about current market trends and consult with professionals in real estate for personalized advice based on your specific circumstances. According to a chief economist for Zonda, the market is going through a healthy adjustment where supply and demand are gradually coming closer to balance. This adjustment may lead to a return to more normal market conditions, with some of the buying trends driven by the pandemic potentially tapering off or reversing. And to get the best price as a home buyer, it is important to be proactive and diligent. And here are some lasting action steps for you. Number 1, find a knowledgeable real estate agent. Work with a real estate agent who knows the local area well, understands your goals, and is willing to put in the effort even during the busy holiday season. Their expertise can help you identify potential bargains and navigate the market. Number 2, prepare your paperwork. Get your financial documents in order, including your mortgage pre-approval letter or proof of your down payment funds. This preparation will enable you to act quickly when a suitable property becomes available. Do this before you start house shopping, so you know your budget before you select the perfect home and fall in love with a property. Number 3, be ready for sudden opportunities. Stay proactive and don't delay in viewing new listings. If you have a chance to see a property before it's officially listed on the market, it could give you an advantage in making an offer before other buyers have the opportunity. Overall, while the market may be undergoing changes, it is important for cost-conscious home buyers stay vigilant and work hard to find deals. By being prepared, proactive, and working with knowledgeable professionals, you can increase your chances of finding a property at a favorable price. price. I hope this information was helpful and engaging for you. I'm Kelsey Mansray, your local real estate agent. Whether you are looking to move in 8 days or 80 days, I'm here for you. Contact me by email, text, phone, or schedule a meeting via Zoom video call. My contact information is down below. Thanks again for tuning into this video. You can check out other videos on my YouTube channel to learn about what makes Memphis a wonderful place to live, work, and play. I hope you found some value in this video, and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move in or around Memphis. So with that, we hope to see you around town. We'll see you in the next video.